Good afternoon, El Segundo. It's Wednesday, September 30th, 2020, the last day of the month. My name is Martha Guzman-Hurtado, and I'm the Communications Manager for the City of El Segundo. I hope you're all staying safe. We continue to monitor the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in the county and city. To date, Public Health has identified 270,299 positive cases of COVID-19 across all areas of LA County and a total of 6,577 deaths. El Segundo has had 131 positive cases, currently has 3 cases and 1 death. Our hearts go out to all the family members who've lost a loved one due to the virus. Although Los Angeles County met the state's metric thresholds for Tier 2 last week, LA County remains in Tier 1 due to the current adjusted daily rate of 7.3 cases per 100,000 residents. Per the state guidelines, to move to Tier 2, the county's case rate needs to be 7 or fewer new cases a day per 100,000 residents for two consecutive weeks. The county's test positivity rate is 2.9%, which places the county in Tier 3 for this metric. The state places counties in the most restrictive tier when the metrics fall in 2 different tiers. So the county remains in Tier 1 because the daily case rate indicates there is still widespread transmission in our communities. The Department of Public Health announced a staggered reopening of the following sectors over the next 10 days. Card rooms will be allowed to reopen for outdoor gaming only. Indoor shopping malls are allowed to reopen at 25% occupancy, although food courts are not allowed to reopen at this time. Nail salons can reopen at 25% capacity and also continue to provide outdoor services. Outdoor playgrounds can reopen with the approval and discretion of the cities where they are located. All parents and children must wear a face covering. Eating and drinking will not be allowed at the playgrounds, and all visitors will need to keep physical distancing. Indoor playgrounds will remain closed at this time. We'll provide more information about El Segundo outdoor playgrounds as soon as we receive more guidance from the county. On Tuesday, the LA County Board of Supervisors approved the reopening of breweries and wineries for outdoor service if they partner with a third-party food vendor. We are waiting for the Department of Public Health to provide further guidance later this week on the reopening protocols. Also on Tuesday, the Board of Supervisors approved to open up the process for schools to apply for waivers to resume in-person instruction for TK through 2nd grades. The program will begin accepting applications in early October for 30 schools per week and prioritize the issuance of waivers to schools with higher percentages of students qualified for free or reduced meals. Superintendents must submit school district waiver requests to reopen for approval by the local health officer. The application process will be available online at publichealth.lacounty.gov and will be launched in early October. As we move into the fall months, Public Health is encouraging the public to get their flu vaccine in addition to following the protocols to prevent the spread of COVID-19. It's up to all of us to slow the spread of the virus. Continue to wear a mask, keep physical distancing, and wash your hands. There will be a blood drive at the El Segundo's Farmers Market on Thursday, October 15th from 2:30 to 6:40 p.m. To donate, please visit www.ucedonor.com to make an appointment. The City of El Segundo has extended the Plunge Swim Stadium survey deadline to October 7th. This is your opportunity to tell the city how you want the design team to restore and reimagine the facility. Take the survey today by visiting elsegundo.org and clicking on the news item on the homepage. If the uncertainties of COVID-19 having feeling stressed, depressed, there is help. Support is just a phone call or text away. Please reach out to the LA County helpline at 800-854-7771 or text the letters LA to 741-741. Today is the deadline for the 2020 census. A complete and accurate count in El Segundo will mean the city receives funding for crucial programs and services over the next decade. El Segundo currently has a 77.2% response rate. Please help the city get to 100%. There is still time. Visit 2020census.gov to be counted today. Today is also the last COVID-19 community update live on Facebook. Next week, we'll transition to bringing you the latest community updates in a news program format on El Segundo Media Channel 3, as well as our social media channels. For more information on the latest city-related news, visit the city's website at elsegundo.org or follow us on Facebook. That's it for today. Have a great rest of the week. Be safe.